Welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to create a background map based on OpenStreetMap information using for the first time in my channel the artificial intelligence. We are going to use DeepSeek and not ChatGPT just to taste it first, but also because it seems that DeepSeek works better for a specific argument like data management for academic research, while ChatGPT it is more powerful for general task. And together with this artificial intelligence, we are going to use Overpass Turbo. It is an open source and free tool that allows you to extract data easily from OpenStreetMap. This tool relies on Python. I have no idea how to use Python, but through the artificial intelligence, we are going to develop scripts, and therefore we do not need to have specific knowledge on Python. Let's put the hands on work. So what to do first? You open Overpass Turbo through the internet. You type Overpass Turbo EU and you get a similar page. You zoom into the area of interest. We are going again Republic of Congo in Bétou, the area of study. You zoom to the extent where you want the information, like this one, and then you open DeepSeek. You need to register using either a Google email or your private email, and then you have to log in. Andrea Cipa, continue, and the usual login. Okay, I am in. Now you need to write the prompt asking DeepSeek to extract all possible information that you have in OpenStreetMap. You can straight away ask, please write a query for extracting all the information of OpenStreetMap, leading to Python to be used with Overpass, and then you can add all the feature that you want to include. For example, I already did it previously, and here I have my query already with all what I wanted included. So I copy this query. So I want to have included forest, rivers, streams, canal, dams, residential area, farmland, sports center, path, trucks, bus stop, public transport, houses, apartments, hospital, everything what you can find. I didn't write myself this query. This was previously created through the artificial intelligence. So I take this query, I put the query here. So make a soil cover map of Bétou, Republic of Congo, with Overpass Turbo. After having displayed the area of interest on Overpass Turbo, the map should include possible information, including blah, 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 blah. Now here you have the option to access internet, we do that, and to deep think R1. This means it will show you the thinking process of this artificial intelligence. I click run. Let's hope that it is doing the query properly. It might take some time. I will speed up the video. So each thinking step are listed here, so you can really follow the process that this intelligence is doing. So now it's really trying to include everything what I was mentioning in my query. If you don't click on Deep Think R1, you will not have all this thinking process, and the result might be a little bit quicker. Below I will paste the query so that you can use it and modify this query. Okay, now it is explaining you how we should proceed. So step 1, we open Overpass. Step 2, we take this Python string and we copy the Python string. And now I will show you. So I copy now here the query, the Python script, copy it, and I go to Overpass Turbo. Here I paste this query and I simply run. It will take some time. Okay, it's a large amount of data, 20 megabytes, which is not really large, so I continue anyway. And here I see all what I have inside. I will not really worry about that, and I export this as a GeoJSON. Download. We exported this one. Here it is. I just change the name. I call it OpenStreetMap. Now I go to my QuantumGIS. Here I have simple displayed the area of interest with OpenStreetMap standard background map. And I also have here the refugee site limit. So at this point I take my query, I just insert the query here. Okay, I have 3 types of layers: point, line, and shape. Select all and add layer. So we have it. Now let's investigate a little bit what are those including.